Hello, hello, everybody. How are you? Here we are one more time. And today we will be talking about possessive adjectives. If you don't know me, my name is Bruno. I'm an English teacher. I've been teaching English for 6 years. I've been here in Sydney, Australia for 2 years. I've been here, yes. It's been 2 years. And today the topic is very important. Okay? Possessive adjectives is one of the first things you learn in your first month, I would say. First month, I believe you should learn in your first month. Yes. Possessive adjectives. But to understand this properly, we have to understand some concepts before. And that's the reason that I'm going to be speaking slowly with you so you can understand, okay? Let's check it out. I will display some examples to you to make sure you understand. First things first, we have to understand that I'll even create one more and I decrease here. We have subject, pronouns, and possessive adjectives. We have many pronouns, many different pronouns, okay? And ways to use them. But the point is, if you don't know subject pronouns, if you don't know anything, this is not a good class for you, I believe. In my channel here, if you open the playlists, you're going to see that there is a playlist called A1, A2. This playlist is for beginners. So if you just started, if you are learning English from the beginning, this is the right playlist for you, okay? Otherwise, just continue here. Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. I'm not gonna repeat you twice because there's no point. Okie dokie, subject pronouns. You guys know how to use subject pronouns. I will even duplicate and use this one as examples. So, I can say I have a car. Okay? You have a beautiful house. He has, just remember that. Here we don't have we have has. He has a wife. She has a husband. Okay? It has a toy. Let's imagine that I'm talking about my dog, for example. Oh, it has a toy. Yes. We have uh we have a match. Match, I mean the game, okay? The game. They have uh they have I always create by mind. That's why I think they have a class later. Okay, very good. I use subject pronouns with verbs. Like here, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, they have. But teacher, why on earth are you only using have and has? Because to show you, to display the idea of the possessive adjectives to you, you have to understand that we use possessive adjectives when I have something. We call this ownership or possession. When I have something, okay? And that's is the reason that I'm going to show you first the possessive adjectives. For I use my. Okay? For you, I use your. For he, I use his. For she, I use her. For it, its. For we, our, we is very different. For they, their. So, I can never change here. For example, you, your, correct? I can never change you to mine. If it's you, it's your car. It's not my car. Okay? It's different. It's different. So you always follow the line, follow the rule. Okay? Follow the line. It's going to be exactly like this every single time. Let me copy here because I don't want to make any effort. Okay, I have a car, so it's my car. Look how easy it is. I can say I have a car. It's correct, it's beautiful, but I can also say, oh, my car. You have a beautiful house. Your beautiful house. He has a wife. His wife. She has a husband. Her husband. It has a toy. Its toy. But teacher, here, can I say this? No, it's different. It's very different, okay? So we use like this. We have a match, our match. They have classes later. Their classes. I don't need to say later, their classes later. Okay? Their classes. Their class. Okay? It's not plural the first way. So basically, this class is I think it's gonna be under 10 minutes because it's very, very, very simple, okay? You just have to understand properly subject pronouns so we can apply possessive adjectives, okay? Very simple. There's no mistake here. If you have any questions, anything you want to say, please leave a comment below. I brought you some examples just to make sure, but man, go for it. Exercise over exercise, one after the other, okay? Go for it. I hope you have learned something. I hope I helped you somehow. And have a wonderful day. I hope I see you next class. See ya and take care.